So today this is another first aid remedy, and this is one of my favourites for bites and stings. Now there are some variations that you can try, and I'll pop those at the end of the video. But the one that is certainly a favourite of mine, and one that I reach for time and time again, is a really simple combination of plantain and peppermint. Now do look at my videos on foraging, and you'll see videos on plantain and its uses and what it looks like and all those things. So really simple. This spray can be used on bites and stings, any kind of bite and sting. You don't have to have one thing for one type of sting and one thing for something else. You can use for everything. So that might be a nettle sting, it might be an insect bite, literally anything. Really handy to have in a travelling first aid kit. If you're a backpacker, if you're just like to go out on long dog walks, whatever it might be, if you, something that you like to have in the car, whatever. Really simple and keeps really well. So the base is a tincture, and the tincture is plantain. So I'm going to fill my spray bottle. So this is a 50ml spray bottle to the top. Lovely dark colour. So that's my plantain tincture, and do look at my video on tinctures about how to make your own. So we've got our tincture here. So that's already, the alcohol is the preservative in this, so it's a long lasting remedy. It's not going to go off. And now adding to it is peppermint essential oil. Now I'm going to add 20 drops. Okay. Of peppermint essential oil. Now both of these are anti-inflammatory. The peppermint is a little bit antibacterial as well, but it's anti-inflammatory and pain relieving, and that's really the two qualities that you want in an immediate spray that you're going to use for insect bites and stings. It's really safe. It can be used for anyone. Just literally give it a little bit of a shake and then spray it directly onto the skin, and it'll absorb in really quickly. That's the alcohol. So yeah, it's really great. You can use it multiple times. There's no issues with anybody who can't use it. So really safe, really handy, and it'll easily last for about a year in your herbal first aid kit. So do have a go and make your own, and I will put some variations that you can try at the end of the video. So let me know your own, what's your favourite for bites and stings? Pop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.